All right, let's take a start with IELTS speaking. Do you work or study?
No,
Yeah.
currently I am working
What do you
and
do?
I'm a customer sales representative.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what do you like about your job?
Actually, it's a US based campaign, and we are providing packaging services to all over the US. And
My question is not describe your job. My question is, what do you like about your job?
actually, it's a packaging industry, and I'm learning a lot of things regarding packaging,
Hmm?
and due to this, I am getting. I have to communicate with different kind of peoples, so I'm getting a lot of
Okay,
experience.
I am getting a lot of experience is present continuous. You can use it, but
Mm.
main question is in present simple. So
Okay.
try to focus that. Okay, let's go on. Would you like to continue this job in the future?
Yes, I would like to continue this job if I still be stay in Pakistan. Otherwise, I will be moving. I'm planning to move to Canada, so then I have to quit this job.
Okay, this is the very short answer. You need to add some more detail with your answer
Okay.
and make sure your mask is up. In
So
actual
actually,
exam,
yeah.
you can remove your glasses for some time because now you're not going to read anything.
Okay.
Okay, so just make sure your mask is intact. Okay, let's go on. What is the process of getting a job in your country?
In our country, the job to getting the job process is very hard. If you have a reference, then you can get the job very easily. If not, then uh, um, you have to get you have to get the job on merit basis, and I think it should be um, uh, it should be.
Okay, do you have to work in shifts or you've got one schedule for your job?
No, we have one schedule 8 to 5, and in this shift we have 1 hour break, and there's no other shifts.
All right, you're lacking ideas, you're lacking fluency,
Yeah.
and you're doing a lot of try to overcome that as well.
Okay.
All right, what do you do after work to relax yourself?
After work, I first of all I have to fulfill my sleep timing, and then I go to mosque to pray my prayers,
To offer my
to offer
prayer.
my prayers, and that's in that way I relax my mind and my soul, and this is the best way to relax my body
All
and
right,
mind.
do you often have to wake up early in the morning?
Yes, actually, that kind of in that kind of job. I always get up early in the morning and pray my Fajr prayer in mosque, and then I came back to home and
I come back
I
home.
come back to home and go to park for some jogging.
Okay, this is good. So try to make yourself fluent,
Yeah.
add some more ideas with your
Okay.
answer,
Okay.
and go through all the questions so that
Okay.
you become familiar with them, right?
Okay.
All the best. Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.